In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reduce the size of a PDF file. You can see I have already opened Google. Then here are charts reduce PDF size on search bar. Then I found lots of websites, but I always use these two websites. This is absolutely fantastic and free for me and you. And I select the first one. Then you can see compress PDF file, select PDF file. So I select first one. You can see its PDF files currently 526 KB. Now I need to click on open. Then if you have multiple PDF, you can upload on here. Click on plus, then add more. You can also upload from computer and Google Drive and Dropbox. And at the left side, compressions level, extremely compressions, and recommendation compressions, and less compressions. So I always recommend you for number 2. Then click compress PDF. Then you can see it's already less than 66%, and already download to my computer 175 KB. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you again.